Hello, hello, YouTube world. What's going on? I'm not happy. I got a mess. It's bad. Yeah, seems that every day. Well, the new cab corners in, left the rust. New rockers got rust in them again. They didn't treat the rust. Now it's got the supports rotted out. All the supports are rotted out. Trying to save these square body Chevys. Hello. Keep them good. It looked good from the outside. That's why the man bought it. Uh-oh. Got another hole. All around the heater box. If I was you, before you buy a square body, pop the hood. Look around the heater box. Look around here. All them leaves get stuck in that cowl. Drop down in that cowl on the inside. Cause a lot of rust, a lot of heartache. Yeah, we're gonna fix it up for him. That way the underside looks better than the outside. Yeah. I know I've said it before. Bring me your rusty vehicles. I don't know. Well, if it'll pay the bills, might as well. Y'all have a good one. Like, subscribe, comment, talk trash. Why in the world would you be fixing that rusty junk? Come on, talk some trash on the. Let me hear what you got to say. That thing needs to be in the scrapyard. Tenfold. Write it in the comment. Y'all have a good one.